Now we will be showing you how what is a what are the basic gates, what are the typical ICs that are used as gates, and how do you connect a basic gate and verify its truth table. So let me give you an introduction. What are the different type of logic basic gates that are available on this board? There is an AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and NAND gate. Now you will say that these are the gates mentioned, but where are the gates present on the ICs? Here there are just ICs. So here is your first concept of electronics, in which you get to learn about TTL ICs. So let us start by a NAND gate. As you all know that a NAND gate is a universal gate. That means it can be converted into any of the above gates. So here the logical table for a truth table for a NAND gate is Q is equal to complement of A dot B. The symbol for a NAND gate is, but how do we connect a NAND gate in an IC? So we have to look into its internal diagram. So you, for this, search on the internet, Google for data sheet of 7400 PDF. You will get the full data sheet on what about the internal connections. I will be showing you by giving you example of a single gate. There are 4 NAND gate in a 7400 IC. So in this, internally 1 and 2 are connected to one of the NAND gate and 3 is the output. So to check the verify the truth table, what we have to do is we have to physically connect. These are my logical input IO lines. So I will connect this to pin number 1. I will connect D6 to pin number 2, and the output Q I will connect to this LED O7. So any condition that I will be giving on this output, for example, I will be giving 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. So this is the table for a NAND gate, and now I have to verify it using my kit. I'm making connections like this. So let me verify. So this is the first condition, when both the inputs are low. As you can see, the output is glowing. Next condition, when the both output is high. So that is also low. Now if I, so this is known as the verifying a AND gate, verifying the logic using the verifying the truth table using an actual IC. To use all the other ICs, what you have to do is simply make the connections. For example, if I have to make this type of circuit, then what I will do is I will connect my input at pin number 1 and 2, connect my output 3 to the input 4, and 5 I will take from the outside, and Q I will connect it to LCD. So my pin number 6 will go to output LED, that is O7. Pin 1, 2, 5 will go to D7, D6, D0. That are the inputs. As you can see here, D7, D6, D5. So what, based on this my input, my output will come out. For example, the output of this will be, suppose I take it as G1, I take this as G2. So the output of G1 will be A, so my output of G2 will become A2 dot A1 dot B1 dot complete. So now what I'll do is I will give different values of A1, A2, A1 and B1 and correspondingly check my truth table by doing manual calculation, then see by experimental. Then I will get to learn what are the different combinations output I'll get if I connect a logical AND gate in a different combinations. You can try any of the circuit given in all the standard books. For example, Maris-Mano, Malvino-Leach and your basic curriculum book. My recommendation will be to go for Malvino-Leach and Maris-Mano. Both are more or less similar, but the concepts that you get from Malvino-Leach are pretty easy to understand and simpler to implement. This is my book which I use for my designing purposes. It has all the logic circuit, all the circuits, any kind of circuit. For example, this is one of the circuit in which it is using 3 AND gate. This also can be implemented using only one 7400 IC. I hope you have understood it and I have tried to make it as simple as possible for you and you like this video.